Hey guys, this is Amy. Welcome to Gluten Free for All. And let's get into the video. Hi everyone, so today we're going to be reviewing cheese crackers. So we've got the Real Food from the Ground Up brand, we've got Simple Mills, and we've got Three Bakers brand. Okay, so I'm going to start with the cauliflower crackers from Real Food from the Ground Up brand. I have found these at Price Chopper. Oh. Unexpected look to them, I will say. Very, very small. And somewhat dark in color, like more like a wheat thin than a Cheez-It. Let's give it a taste. Definitely a very cheesy flavor. Not too salty either. I would say that they don't taste like Cheez-Its, but they do have a very cheesy flavor. Honestly, I would almost say they just kind of taste... There's a cheesy flavor, but it's almost like separate from the cracker flavor. It's a very crackery flavor and a very cheesy flavor. The cheesy flavor kind of goes away very quickly, and the cracker flavor lingers. They're very small, but I would actually go so far as to say that I like the taste of these better than Cheez-It brand Cheez-Its. So there's that. I'm just going to move them aside slightly on my plate while I pour these on. These are the Three Bakers brand Cheez-Its. Oh, these are very different too. So these are almost more like puffs than crackers. They're sort of like puffy crackers. They're like oyster crackers in terms of consistency. These taste very similar to real Cheez-Its. Almost what I would think would be like exactly the same in terms of taste. Yeah, it's been a while since I've had a real Cheez-It, but I'm pretty sure these taste very, very close. And that's the Three Bakers brand. I also got these at Price Chopper. But I believe Simple Mills is one of those brands that you can find at pretty much any grocer at this point. Definitely Hannaford has it, Price Chopper. And Simple Mills brand I've definitely seen at places like ShopRite. I don't know if they specifically have these crackers, but they definitely have the mixes, like the muffin mixes and things like that at a place like ShopRite. And it's a great brand for other things, but we'll find out if it's a good brand for Cheez-Its. All right, these are much larger, and these kind of look more like a wheat thin as well. But these are bright orange, so maybe in terms of color more what you would expect. Okay. Okay. That one's kind of cheesy as soon as you eat it. And then that kind of goes away for a while. Doesn't come back until the end. But I think you're tasting mostly the ingredients in here. The flax seeds, the sunflower seeds, the almonds. Because it doesn't taste like what you would expect a cracker to taste like either. It's not super crackery. But I love the taste anyway. Like I said, it's very cheesy at first. Then you're kind of tasting those other ingredients. And then the cheese kind of comes back at the end. But in terms of what tastes the most like Cheez-Its, definitely the Three Bakers brand Snackers. But in terms of what's most similar in shape and size, I would say it's probably the Simple Mills, even though they look more like Wheat Thins. But these are kind of Wheat Thin-esque too, but they're just so tiny. But yeah, I actually really like the taste of each of these, and the taste is not extremely similar among the three. They all have their own very specific individual tastes. So it really kind of comes down to what you prefer most. Obviously these are the cauliflower ones, so maybe that's kind of more along the lines of health food, if that's what you're looking for, versus these, which are maybe a little bit less. I would say this one's probably the least healthy in terms of the ingredients. So it's up to you to kind of determine which you like best. I would say most similar to Cheez-Its. What I prefer the most, I think, would be the Simple Mills. Yeah, so if you have any other brands of gluten-free cheese crackers that you have tried and you want to leave it in the comments, let us know how they are, the types of places you can find them. Please leave that in the comments for me to read later. Thank you. Thanks for joining me in celebrating your gluten freedom. Leave your thoughts in the comments section for me below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get notified of new videos. If you'd like to see more of us here at the Geek for All family of channels, check the description box down below. I'm Amy, and thanks so much for watching.